Today we're going to go over proportional versus non-proportional. You guys were actually really good at this the first time we learned it. It's just been a while since we've seen it. Everything on the left is going to represent a proportional situation, and everything on the right is going to be a non-proportional, that is a straight line linear. All right, so let's look at the difference between a proportional graph and a non-proportional graph. A proportional graph is a straight line that passes through where? The origin, which is known as 0, 0. A proportional graph is a straight line that passes through the 0. A non-proportional graph is a straight line that does not pass through the origin. So everybody look for 0, 0. Notice it is not passing through there. And that is a question every year on the STAR test. So it's super, super easy. Any questions on that? Let's look at a table. A proportional table, if it includes 0, it must be 0, 0, because that's where it would pass through the origin. Where a non-proportional table, if it includes 0, it will not be 0, 0, because it does not pass through the origin. Now, what if it doesn't include 0? When you divide, you must get a constant to be proportional. To be proportional, when you divide, you must get a constant. So everybody look at this table. 6 divided by 2, y divided by x, is 3. 12 divided by 4 is also, and 18 divided by 6 is also. That is how I know a table is proportional. When I divide, I will get a constant. On the other hand, to be non-proportional, when I divide, I will not get a constant. For example, 10 divided by 2 is 5, but 16 divided by 4 is 4. Do you see how there is no constant? Yes or no? If I'm writing, you're writing. Okay, every day on our STAR chart, we write proportional for y equals kx because there will be no plus b. But to be non-proportional, it will have a plus b. All right, so let's look at some examples. To be proportional, a balloon rises at a rate of 10 feet per second. So if I wrote that as an equation, it would be y equals 10x. Notice that there is no plus b. And over here, a balloon is released from a 15-foot platform and rises at a rate of 10 feet per second. How would I write this? 10x plus 15. Notice the difference. This one has a plus b. This one does not. And that's the lesson for today. So today on your assignment, you are going to be looking for the difference between proportional and non-proportional. Okay, flip to the back. The last part of today's lesson is direct variation. And every day on our warm-ups that we write on, when it varies directly, we make a box. So let's do that. Direct variation means proportional. It means you can always set up a box and then cross multiply and divide. So here we go. Make a box. You just draw a line with 2 slashes through it. And then you label what they're comparing. What are they comparing in this one? Y and, so I'm going to put y in one spot and x in another spot. When y is 20, so 20 is going to go here. X is, that's going to go here. And then here's my clue word that tells me to make a box. Y varies directly with x. What is y when x is 15? So where will I put 15? With the x at the bottom. To solve this, cross multiply, then divide. So everybody get your calculator. you're going to do 20 times 15, and then you're going to divide by the leftover number. So divide by 35, and I got, is that what everybody got? 8.57? All right, so y would be about 8.57. That's an 8. All right, I want y'all to try to set up this one on your own. I should see everybody making a box. Okay, make sure you set it up correctly. I don't even see that everybody set it up. It says y is 12, x is 3/5. Your clue word was varies directly. What is y when x is 2 and 9/5? Does it matter that they're fractions, or do we have buttons for that? Yeah, so we don't worry about it. Cross multiply, then divide. So I'm going to do 12 times alpha y equals option 2, 2 and 9/5, enter, divided by alpha y equals option 1, 3/5. And my answer is 76. So y would be 76. All right, your assignment will be found in the Google Classroom, and I will pass out an answer document.